just heat that off. See how that's getting hot and red? That's burning off the carbon. So there shouldn't be any exhaust restriction now. I got this blower from the trash at the curb and got it going. You can watch my video about that, but it seems like it's lacking power. I took the fuel line out and cleaned it and fixed that up. I took the carburetor apart, cleaned it up, and that's what got it started. But it seems like it's lacking power. So what I'm going to do is take the screen off of the exhaust and see if that's clogged. That's a typical problem with two-cycle engines. So to do that, I need to pull this off. It's just the extension for the blower. Take the screws out of the handle because the exhaust is here. Pull the wire. Take the plug out. There we go. Set that aside. All right, with the cover removed, take these screws out. Lift that off. And here's the screen. And it doesn't look too bad to me. This screen on two-cycle engines can clog up and affect the running of the engine, and it's a common problem that these need to be cleaned. You can take carb cleaner, toothbrush, clean them up, put it back together, and oftentimes that'll fix your problem. Not all screens will be that clean and easy, and so I'm going to check this chainsaw and see how this one looks. There we go. And this screen looks pretty good too. But you will get clogged screens, and if they're tougher than the last two I've shown you, I'll show you how to clean them. Just start up the propane torch. Take the screen and the needle nose pliers, and you just heat that off. See how that's getting hot and red? That's burning off the carbon, and it's clean already. Just take a little wire brush, brush it off, and reinstall. You can see the piston moving in there. And it doesn't look scored or anything, it looks good. Pull that cover plate off. I don't want to hit the piston, but I'm just cleaning this up and then I'll blow that off. And there is a fair amount of carbon on here, restricting that. All right, I got that cleaned up nice. I tipped it upside down so it would just fall out and then blew it out. And it looks pretty clean now. You can see the piston moving up and down. So there shouldn't be any exhaust restriction now. All right, I cleaned it. It really wasn't that bad. Put that back on. Even though mine wasn't real bad, this is a very, very common problem. So if your engine won't start or it's running bad or whatever, this is definitely something to check. Alright, all secured. I would just put the cover back on. The throttle hinges there, so it's real simple. It's a little heat shield. You want to make sure that's to the inside of the case. And then it's just a matter of putting the screws back on. Spark plugs looks good. Looks like it's burning clean. And we're ready to fire it up. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.